time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right now in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. Okay, the performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. This had been on uptrend right from here, okay, and it has got into this region, and it pulled back to this particular spot, okay. So I believe it should continue with the trend, okay. So I gave out this signal um 2 days ago, and it has achieved TP 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. And of course we are hoping that it will achieve TP 5 and 6, which are days and days, okay. So this is still on right now. Let's see how far it will go, okay. So this is still going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, okay. The next asset is going to be GainX 999. This is GainX 999, and this had been on downtrend right from here, but got to the support zone, and it tried to buy for a while, but it was unable to go above this, and it switched back into a downtrend, and it kept on selling right from there. However, this is actually has actually got into this support zone, okay. So if it breaks out below the support zone, it's going to sell more, but if it does not, then we should expect it to buy more, okay. But for now, it is still selling until it is unable to break out below the support zone. The next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 1200. This has been on downtrend right from here, and it got to this support region, and it switched back into an uptrend, and it is buying right now. So this is going to be giving us more buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 999. This actually broke out below the support zone at this zone, and when there is a breakout from the support zone, it means it's going to sell more. So you can see it selling, and of course it is still selling at the moment, even though it is approaching the next support zone. But this is more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity at the moment. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. FX volume 80 had been on downtrend for a very long time, and it tried to go back on uptrend at this point, but didn't go too far before switching back into a downtrend. And I said something earlier today that if it gets to this support zone and it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it will go back on uptrend. But for now, it is still selling until it is unable to break out below this support zone fully, okay. So this is still selling at this moment, okay. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading, okay. So for those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. And if you love my content, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.